Hey again everyone, now before I show you how to run your Bosch dishwasher on a cleaning cycle, just to say that this is part of my full cleaning tutorial, so definitely check that out after this. I'll put a link down below and in the description, so go and have a look at that after, but without further ado, let's get to it.
Then the last bit, I've got my cleaner. I'm just going to put it in probably on the top rack, but it depends how it says, and also on the wash it recommends, and then we should be done. Okay, so it says to put this on the cutlery rack, but I've got a slight problem, and it should be somewhere secure. It doesn't actually fit even if I do that, and that isn't going to be a secure spot, so I am going to put it in there. It somehow clips in quite tightly there, so that'll work for me. Just need to peel off this as per the instructions on the bottle and set it on the right wash, and the recommended wash is normal 60 degrees or higher. When it reaches the right temperature, the product will be released. Okay, so I've gone with it on that rack. It is nice and firmly in, it's not moving. Okay, it's not going down, and I've taken the sticker off, and that will open once it gets hot. So let's just set it up for a wash. Close it up. No, I don't need anything in here. I'm just going for close, put it on, and if it's going to be 60, then it has to be the intensive cycle on this machine. So 2 hours and 15 minutes. Let's start that and see how it comes out. Okay, so the cycle's finished now. The cleaning cycle is done. Let's have a look. Okay, not the usual steam, but you can see that is all empty. I can just discard that in my recycling, and hopefully you can see that the dishwasher is looking nice and clean inside. Okay, if you found this useful, hit like and subscribe. I'll see you in another video soon.